This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, back again with another short video, and this time I'm going to be concentrating on the power of RSI 69.1, and we're going to use the same stock from the previous video, and we are going to be highlighting this area here, and here. Now from this chart, it's self-evident this is where we get momentum ignition in the stock, and even here there was support. I'll discuss that here in a few minutes. But anyway, so those are the main areas where we see momentum pick up. And what I'm saying is, did you know that buying a stock when it moves back above RSI 69.1 is also a strategy? Well, let's take a look. All right, so here we're going to go 2007, and you can see here, by recapturing that 69.1 level, and remember this is oversimplification, but we're just trying to stick to a small subject in a short period of time. But we can see here, once you move above the 69.1 threshold and stay above it, the key is you have to stay above 69.1, because as we can see here, rejection at 69.1 level does lead to pullbacks. But once you hold above that threshold, this is what I call the sweet spot, because the market takes off. This is a powerful move. This is the desired holding period for momentum, and notice what happens once you collapse below the 69.1 threshold. Let's take a look here at another period, and this is now going into 2013. We took a look at that in the previous video. We can see you move above 69.1 here, and you never look back. You come here, you go below 69.1 and back above it with uniform action, which is this re-entry period, and you never look back in terms of price. You come here, you test a 69.1 threshold for the lows here, and you take off. So other than this short period here, couple of months, so here the RSI holding above 69.1 for 3 years. So remember, this can take years and years to play out. And the market is telling us that for such superior results, patience is needed. This took a long time to play out. But the key is, as long as the RSI was holding above 69.1, really you had no reason to look for an exit. Let's take a look at the other period now, which is in 2009. But before that, take a look at the RSI 69.1 rejection right here. All right. So that's also useful information. Whenever you see RSI 69.1 uniform activity rejection, that should tell you something. So here we move above 69.1 as of April 2019. Let's take a look at, fast forward a little bit, and you'll see that stock ran into some problems here. Rejection for the highs here, and a short-term rejection here at 69.1. And it's only after we clear that 69.1 threshold and we stay above it, which also coincides with the breakout from the previous video, you can see that this is why the stock was one of the best performing stocks in the FTSE 100 for 2019, because you capture this momentum move to the upside. So once again, yes, RSI 69.1 is a method for capturing momentum if other factors also line up. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. Yes.